Today I'm going to show you how to make your very own little kitten finger puppet. And I've made videos in the past of rabbit finger puppet, monkey finger puppet, and so on. So if you want to see those, I'm going to link them down below. But anyways, in this one I'm going to show you how to make this. And you can make whichever breed you want. I've just made like a simple white one with some grey patches. So I'm going to show you how to make it. It's really easy and it's so cute and really fun to play with. So I'm going to just do a basic shape first. So for the head, I'm going to start with a normal circle and then make it a bit of an oval. And that's it. That's the shape. Now we just go ahead and add the ears. The center, and now you go ahead and add the eyes. Come like a bit to the middle part of it and just make 2 circles. Make these circles for the cute effect. Small triangle for the nose and this. I'm gonna color this in so it'll look fine. And since cats have all different patterns, so I'm gonna make this like a grey and white patch kind of cat. So let's make like a grey and a little here and a little here, and I'll make this ear also grey so it'll look real. So that's it, and if you want you can add very faint whiskers over there. So that's it. Now just go ahead, outline it and color it. So I'm gonna do that. Try to make them like uneven, whatever you want, small ones, as long as you like it. Oh, so you can make your eyes also like whatever color you want. So I'll do that with the marker only. Now since I'm done outlining, I'll just erase it. So now for coloring it, I'm going to use my markers, which I've stored inside this. If you want to know how to make this, I'll put a link in my description. I had made this in a previous video using magazines, and it looks like a wooden container. It just looks cool, so yeah, I use it to keep my markers. So if you're interested, just check the description box for the link. So I'm going to take out the colors now. So I'm making it grey and pink is for the ears, and I'm going to try brown and black for the eyes. Maybe that won't look that fine, so I'll just stick to black for the eyes, I guess. You can make it whatever, like it depends on the cat you're making. Like some of them have blue eyes, so just go for whichever one you want, or green. And yeah, that's it. So that's how it looks. You can try out totally different cat styles too. Just gonna finish the eyes. And a bit of orange for the nose. And now for the rest of the puppet, all you need is just the bottom part. So just cut out any random size chip of paper and go ahead and cut it. Also cut out the cat. Oh, and there's one more part. So now that we got your strip and your cat, one more part which you have to draw is the tail. So just go ahead and draw a tail. So that's it. So I'm going to add some white patches to the tail too. I mean grey patches. Now just go ahead and cut out. I'm going to leave a small white border around while cutting. I don't know, it just looks like neat if you do that. Like a really thin white border. So there, as you can see, this is cut out as well as this and this. So that is all you need, and now all you need to do is assemble it, for which you need glue. So now first what you have to do is you take this and check and see if it fits your finger, like how much do you want it. So I'm just going to go ahead and wrap this around my finger. I'm going to wrap it around like this, and now all I have to do is just stick it. So this is how much I want it. So over here, you can use tape, you can use whatever you want. Just go ahead and stick it. Now once you're done sticking it, I'm just going to flatten this so that it's easy to stick the cat's face. And you can choose to make a longer body if you want, depends. So now I'm going to just put a bit of glue here and stick my cat on, as well as the tail. That's why make sure you make it a bit longer, because half of it is going to be stuck here. So now once you've made sure your tail is stuck properly, just go ahead and add in the extra detail, like the paws here. And that's it. Just add a bit. You can add these patches here too, since it's the body. So a little there. And there you go. That's it. So once you're done, just make sure you stick it properly. Once you've made it flat, then you can straighten it out again, and there you go. So that is how easy it is to make your very own cat finger puppet. So I forgot to add the whiskers for the little cat, so I just added it right now.